In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sections in Asana. If you've been organizing your work in Asana for a while, you probably have sections that you no longer need or that were created by mistake. Cleaning these up can make your projects easier to read and manage. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to delete a section safely and what to keep in mind before you remove anything. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and you're on the main dashboard. To begin, you'll need to open the specific project that contains the section you want to delete. You can do this by going to your sidebar on the left and clicking on the project name, or by using the search bar at the top and typing in the project's title. Once you've found it, click to open the project in list view so you can clearly see all of your sections and tasks. Now that your project is open, look for the section you want to delete. Sections in Asana typically appear as headers that group related tasks together. Move your mouse over the section name. On the right-hand side of that section header, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Hover over the section title until those 3 dots become visible, then click on them. When you click the 3-dot menu, a drop-down list of options will appear. This menu lets you make changes specific to that section, such as renaming it, collapsing it, or in this case, deleting it. From the list of available actions, find and click on the option labeled Delete Section. As soon as you choose Delete Section, Asana may prompt you with a confirmation message, especially if the section still contains tasks. Take a moment here to double check that you really want this section removed. If the section has tasks you still need, consider moving those tasks to another section before you delete it. This helps prevent losing track of important work. Once you're sure, confirm the deletion. The section will then be removed from your project and your list view will update automatically. If you don't see the change right away, try scrolling or briefly refreshing your browser. That's all there is to it. By selecting your project, opening the section menu with the 3 dots, and choosing Delete Section, you can quickly clean up your Asana workspace and keep your projects organized and easy to scan.